Hello, my name is Antonio Melendez and this is my week 3 video. For this week we have two different scenarios, and scenario number 1 says describe how you would write a function to find the intersection of two sets. So imagine that I have set A and set B, and what I would do is I would create a set C where I would put the results of the intersection between sets A and B. I would use for each loop to iterate through set A, and then I would use an if statement to check if the items in set A are also present in set B, and then I would add the ones that are intersecting or common to set C, and then I would return set C. Now the time complexity for this would be a big O n squared, because I'm iterating through both sets at the same time and checking if they have items that are intersecting. Test cases for this would be something like this. So test case number 1 would be if I have a item or set A with 1, 2, and 3, and set B with 3, 4, and 5, the expected result would be my set C with item 3 or number 3, because that's the only number that is intersecting. If I have, this is test case number 2. If I have set A with items 1, 2, and 3, and then set B with items 4, 5, and 6, the expected result would be set C with just an empty set. There are no items that are intersecting, so the set would be empty. And finally, test case number 3 would have set A with 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And set B would have 2, 4, 6, 8. And then the expected result would be set C with items 2 and 4, because those are the two items that are intersected or common in between both of these sets. Now, scenario number 2 says describe how you would write a function to find the union of two sets. Now for this, I would take a similar approach. My approach would be, I have set 1 or set A and set B. I would create a set C, and I would also use a for each loop to iterate through all the items in both sets and check if there are any duplicates. And if there are duplicates, then I would just print one of them out, or only add one of those to set C. In set C, I would have the union of both set A and set B without repeating any items in the sets. This time complexity would not be very difficult. It would not take a lot of memory. It would be a big O n time complexity. And my test cases would be something like this. So if I have test A with numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then I have test B with 3, 4, and 5, my expected result or set C would have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I would not repeat number 3 because it's present in both of them. I would not duplicate results. In test case number 2, if I have set A with 1, 2, and 3, and set B with 1, 2, and 3, my expected result would be set C with 1, 2, and 3. Again, without duplicating any items. And finally, test case number 3 would have set A with 1, 2, and 3, and set B with 4, 5, and 6. And my expected result or set C would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are no duplicates, there are no intersections, and so the resulting set would have all the results, all the items in both of the sets, creating a complete union. And that's what I would do. Thank you and have a wonderful week.